Welcome to the Learning City. Click PowerPoint in your mobile. Now this will download your list of recent presentation, and in the top right corner you can see the plus button. You can click it. Now this will automatically load the ready-made presentation. Now create in click, and you can save it to your OneDrive or the device. Now this will give you the ready-made designs of the PowerPoint presentations. You can select according to your requirements. Many designs are available. You can select any of according to your requirements and your favorite color. I will select the droplet one. Now it's creating. Now it's created the first slide for me. You can add the new slides by clicking the plus icon in the right bottom corner. Okay, double click for the to add the title. I select amazing slides and double tap to add the subtitle. I will write my channel name Learning City, and when you press enter it automatically zoom out. Now click on the plus icon and the right corner bottom. I will add the here an information according to your requirements. Slide number 1, and click add text. I will add the point here, point number 1. It's just dummy text. Point number 2, point number 3. I will add these 3 points and click OK, and I will click on the plus icon and slide number 3 is created. You can double tap it. Now 3 slides are created. Click on the slideshow button and the slideshow will started. Slide 1, amazing slide Learning City, slide number 2 and slide number 3, and in this way the slide is end of the slideshow. In this simple way you can create the amazing PowerPoint presentation in your mobile within 2 or 3 minutes. Thank you for watching the video.